What's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video we're going to be heading to a buddy's shop and we're going to be installing the new torsion keys. As you saw from the last video, I'll give you a little glimpse at them. We're going to be installing those torsion keys that came from the Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit. Now I did crank up the factory keys a little bit. As you can see, we do have a little bit of height right here. I did just for giggles. I went and got the truck aligned. The camber is off just a little bit on the driver's side. That's pretty much it. Oh, and then one other thing, if you're going to be messing with the keys, you're going to need this remover tool. Universal torsion bar unloading tool. Got this from O'Reilly's, part number 67012. It is currently 50 degrees out. Let's get this cold start started. It's gonna be loud. All right, gotta stop and get 2 biscuits and then we on to the shop, baby. Let's go. Yes, can I get 2 sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles with 2 hash browns, please?
Just have 2 sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles?
Yep, and 2 hash browns, and that'll be it. Thank you.
And I'll do 11 for 1 person.
All right, bag secured. Next stop, let's get this truck on the lift, baby. All right, so as you can see, we now have the truck on the lift. So the first thing we're gonna do, in order to remove the actual torsion keys, there's an 18mm bolt right here. As you can see, I have my keys cranked all the way up. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that 18mm bolt right there out. So the first thing we're gonna do is to remove the torsion keys. There is a 18mm bolt right here. We're going to go ahead and use the impact, bring that sucker completely out, and then I'll show you how to use the torsion key remover tool. Okay, there we go. That's good. What you do is you're going to take this torsion unloader, and there's a spot right here on the key. There's a divot that's right there. That's where this part is going to go into, and then on the top of this little frame rail right here, you're going to set it up just like that, and then go ahead and tighten this up, just like so. And then we're going to take our impact, and then we have a 26mm that you're going to put on here. You're going to tighten this all the way up, and then there's a little guide that sits right here that's going to be removed. Truck's a little dirty, but this is gonna fall right out. All right, and then just like that, this little piece comes right out. And then we'll take this back out, and then we'll see what all it's going to take to get the factory torsion key out. All right, so we already removed the passenger one, and then on this side we already sprayed some PP blaster, some liquid wrench, whatever. And then looks like this factory key is pretty stuck. We got some rocks we got to remove out of here. And then what we're going to do is we'll take this mallet, beat this torsion bar forward in order to free up that key. Let's see if she moves at all.
All right, ready?
All right, mate.
Here we go.
No, she ain't coming. Nope. All right, let me see.
She's a tough girl.
There she is.
Woo! Here we go. All right, so we'll come over here. We'll go right behind you. And then I'm going to show you guys the difference between the factory key and then the keys that Kryptonite sent out. The only real difference that I can see is this little angled lip right here. And it looks like the inside diameter, I'd say just a little bit bigger. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the subframe that was holding the actual torsion bars on. Then I got a little surprise for you guys. All right, so one of the things that we're doing, like I mentioned, we are going to be powder coating the actual torsion bars and then the frame that it was mounting to. So Zach was kind enough he's going to let me powder coat the actual torsion bars. As you can see right here, we got them all hung up, and then the piece to the where the torsion bars are in the oven getting baked right now. We'll give you a little sneak peek. Voila, there we go. It's 400 degrees. That is very hot. So yeah, I'm going to try my hand at powder coating one of these torsion bars. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's actually super easy.
And then the next, just keep going around.
Yeah, just keep going around it. And then you can either grab it by the top and just spin it. Yeah.
Yeah, let it show off.
Either one.
What's it? Which?
Yeah, like the triangle piece.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
I might want to touch the bar.
Yeah, I know. You want to grab it and spin it around.
Definitely can't do that. Not as intimidating as I thought it was going to be.
It's really not bad, man.
Alright. It really wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, so that was pretty cool that Zach let me get that experience in of powder coating one of my actual own torsion bars. That was pretty sweet. As you can see now, he's in the oven, letting it get baked. And how long, you said? 10 minutes?
Yeah, once it gets to 400, it'll be 10 minutes.
And then we have got to, we're going to add some, yeah, then we got to clear it, and then we'll put them back in the oven, and then yeah, we'll be back to installing on the truck. That was pretty cool. All right, the first powder coat piece is complete. We're putting this crossover back in for where the torsion keys go. Zach's finishing tightening those down, and I'll take you guys to go see the actual torsion bars are drying right now. Should have gave you guys a look at what it looks like as it was hanging, but I'm super excited to get these torsion bars back in and see exactly what's going to look like. I'm pretty happy that I got to powder coat myself. It's pretty sweet. We're going to get back to installing all this and putting the keys, and then I'll catch up with you guys back on the tripod in a few. Alright, here is your first look on what the powder coated torsion bars look like, along with the brace. Looks super freaking sick. Kind of like a Frankenstein look. Absolutely freaking love it. So all we got to do is we got to put the torsion keys back in from Kryptonite, button everything back up, bolt it up, get the truck on the ground, and then we're going to figure out our measurements to make sure that we get, I want the ride height to be leveled, obviously. So got to put the keys back in, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I think it looks freaking awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. All right, we are finally finished. Putting the new torsion keys back in was a little bit of a challenge, but we got her done, boys. As you can see right here, we went ahead and dropped the truck. She's sitting right at about 43.5. So the truck is almost leveled. So I'm gonna pick some brains at my friends before I go and get this thing aligned and try to figure out why now the front end sits about an inch higher than the rear. So I don't know why that is, but I want to give a big shout out to Zach. Thank you so much for your help in the powder coating. And yeah, if you guys are interested in getting anything powder coated, I'll have a link down in the description to Zach's powder coating. And like I said, next thing we do, we got to go get the front end aligned, and then I need to figure out why the rear sits about an inch lower than the front. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, leave this video a big like, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss the next upload. Peace.